Hey everyone, welcome back to Gravity Automotive, your go-to channel for all things cars, trucks, and everything in between. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, a vehicle that's set to redefine what a compact SUV can be with its bold new look, impressive efficiency, and cutting-edge tech. Imagine cruising down the highway with over 40 miles per gallon, towing your weekend gear effortlessly, and feeling the thrill of instant electric torque, all wrapped in a stylish package that's ready for city streets or off-road adventures. If you're in the market for a versatile, eco-friendly ride that doesn't compromise on power or features, stick around because this RAV4 Hybrid might just be your next dream car. Let's kick things off with the design that turns heads wherever it goes. The 2026 RAV4 Hybrid boasts a completely redesigned exterior with a hammerhead front end that's aggressive and modern, featuring angular fenders, a contoured hood, and stylish LED taillights that give it a premium feel. Depending on the trim, you get distinct styles. The core grades like LE and XLE Premium offer a clean, everyday appeal, while the rugged Woodland Edition ramps up the adventure with higher ground clearance at 8.5 inches, all-terrain tires, and red-orange accents for that off-road vibe. Then there's the sporty SE, XSE, and GR Sport trims with wider fenders, performance tires, and exclusive colors like Meteor Shower or Supersonic Red with black roofs for a two-tone look. Ground clearance varies from 7.5 to 8.5 inches, ensuring stability on highways and capability on trails. Inside, the cabin is spacious and comfortable, seating 5 adults easily with fold-flat rear seats for ample cargo space, perfect for hauling groceries or camping equipment. The interior materials range from fabric on base models to Softex and even Brin knob synthetic suede on higher trims, with heated and ventilated seats available, plus a panoramic roof on Limited for that open-air feel. The reorganized center stack puts everything at your fingertips, including a toggle shifter on select grades for more storage and USB-C ports throughout keep devices charged. Now, under the hood, or should I say under the floor since it's hybrid, the 2026 RAV4 Hybrid uses Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid system with a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine paired with electric motors. In front-wheel drive configuration, it delivers 226 net combined horsepower, while all-wheel drive adds a rear electric motor for 236 horsepower, marking an 11% increase over previous models. Torque is impressive too, with the engine providing 163 lb-ft and the front motor adding 153 lb-ft, resulting in smooth, responsive acceleration 0 to 60 in about 7.1 seconds for AWD versions. Fuel efficiency is a standout, up to 44 miles per gallon combined for FWD models, with specific ratings like 48 city and 42 highway for the LE-FWD, making it ideal for long commutes or road trips without frequent stops at the pump. Drive modes include normal, eco, sport, and EV for short electric-only bursts, plus custom for personalization. For those wanting more, the plug-in hybrid variant offers 324 horsepower, up to 52 miles of electric range, and 41 miles per gallon combined. But since our focus is the standard hybrid, know it's available on most trims with FWD or AWD options. Performance-wise, the chassis is built on the TNGA-K platform with enhanced rigidity, retuned suspension for better handling, and reduced noise through aerodynamic tweaks and better insulation. Driving feels composed, whether navigating city traffic or cornering on winding roads. Towing capacity reaches 3,500 pounds on most AWD models, great for small trailers or boats. And the electronically controlled brake system blends regenerative and hydraulic braking for efficient stops. Features abound in this tech-packed SUV. The new Toyota audio multimedia system comes with a 10.5-inch or optional 12.9-inch touchscreen, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a faster Hey Toyota voice assistant. There's 5G connectivity, SiriusXM 360L, Spotify integration, and native navigation displayed on the standard 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster that's customizable and glare-resistant. Higher trims get JBL premium audio with 9 speakers, a head-up display, and even an all-new built-in drive recorder that captures 20-second clips for safety or insurance purposes. Convenience items include a 120V 1500W AC outlet on Woodland, Qi wireless charging, rain-sensing wipers, and a hands-free power liftgate with expanded sensor detection. Safety is top-notch with the debut of Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, including pre-collision system with pedestrian, bicyclist, and motorcyclist detection, full-speed dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist for subtle braking and steering help. Additional aids like blind spot monitor, rear cross-traffic alert, and 3D panoramic view monitor on premium trims ensure confidence in parking or off-roading. The Star safety system adds stability control, traction control, and more, while advanced features on Limited include traffic jam assist and advanced park for semi-autonomous driving. Pricing starts in the low $30,000 for the base LE Hybrid FWD, with estimates ranging up to $51,000 for fully loaded models. Full details coming soon, but expect competitive value given the standard features. The 2026 RAV4 Hybrid hits U.S. dealerships in December 2025, so mark your calendars if you're eager to test drive one. Other noteworthy specs include a 3-year per 36,000-mile basic warranty, 5-year per 60,000-mile powertrain, and 10-year per 150,000-mile hybrid battery coverage, plus complimentary maintenance for 2 years or 25,000 miles. In a world where efficiency meets excitement, the RAV4 Hybrid stands out as a reliable, versatile choice for families, adventurers, and daily drivers alike. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe to Gravity Automotive for more reviews, and drop a comment below. What feature are you most excited about? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.